Good evening to all of you. We are talking about today glossophobia. How you can work on the glossophobia. How can you reduce glossophobia? The meaning is the glossophobia is means the fear of public. It means you are able to communicate, you are able to speak up, but the thing is that you are unable to speak with the people, with a stranger, or with a phone sometime because you are not comfortable. I saw I saw many times that my students are able to speak in front of me with elegant way, with incredible way. But the thing is that they just putting these things in front of me on the table. They say to me that ma'am, I'm unable to communicate in the company. I'm not able to speak with someone else, or maybe because of the gender issue, I'm unable to communicate with the man because I'm the woman, or men with this issue with the same with the men. That man also saying that they also having that the same issue. They are unable to communicate, or they are unable to keep some of words in front of the women. So there is a issue of the gender. There is a issue of the post senior and post senior and junior. There is an issue that how many people in front of you, gathering of the people. So there are so many issues. But the thing is that it doesn't mean that you cannot speak with non-people or non-people or in the public place. It is very important how you can communicate with comfortable, with familiar way. So in this situation, I will have to figure out then okay, I will have to give the some of atmosphere to my students, to me as well. Then we will also think about it on the roadside, in the park, in the garden, in the mall, in the cinema mall. So when you will try to deliver speech, or you're trying to communicate with the people, trust me, you will be awesome. You will be rocking. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Rishi, and his topic is on the example round with the same like as issue, and the example round on
Car.
vehicles.
Hello.
Please carry on.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Tomar and my topic is vehicles. My favorite vehicle name is Fortuner because the car is very big and the cost is also very high. But my favorite car color is black because the black color was also inspired by the advocates. Advocates are also buying her car black in color, and I like in the Fortuner they are 8-seater car, and that's my side.
That's cool.
Tomar and my topic is introduction. My name is Rishi Tomar and I study in 11th class. My age is 16 years old and I study in 11th class. My stream is arts and my dream is going to Las Vegas and I will and that's my life.
We will start the extemper round, and the extemper round you will have to go with that at least 55 seconds or till 1 minute. It is okay. If you will cross the 1 minute, so you will pass it. It means you did really cool. So your extemper round and the topic would be on books. Please carry on.
So hello everyone, my name is Deepika and today I am going to continue the extemper round. So my topic is books. Books are very important in our life. Some is like I study book or subject book. Sometimes it is also some historical books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, any book can happen. With the books we can generate our knowledge and we can easily we can correct our mistakes. There are many types of books, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Tamil. You have to learn with the books. You don't waste your knowledge. You grow up your knowledge with the books. You will just read the books. It means you generate yourself. You are developed from the if you are doing in the English grammar, you will do the mistakes and you will just start to read and just write and just see in the book the answers. You will practice and practice more. So it means you will develop and you will just grow your knowledge knowledge and with the books. Books are very important in the life for school, for like there are many types of books to relate our health issues and many types of books.
That's good.
My name is Dipti. Today we are at the roadside. Today my topic is to share my first time speaking panel at roadside. So let's continue. I am coming at road to speak English. It is my first time, and I am coming with my teacher. So she just supporting me, and at roadside I am just feeling that people would just see me, and I am feeling super shy. But after coming, I am normal, and I will speak with my confidence because of my teacher and my like my classmates and my English class experience. I also have to share like my in English class we all speak on podium front of many like our classmates, teachers, so we can speak easily. And it is my first time to at roadside, and I feel very happy.
That's
that
cool.
And I am very confident. So thank you. So today.
Everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope you all will be fine by God's grace. As you are thinking what I am doing on the roadside, I am trying to training to the students so that they can communicate outside, they can speak outside, they can think about it. There is nothing worry about to have communications or participate in the speaking panel. They also can deliver their speech on the podium in front of many people. But the thing is that it is very hard to have the stage in million people. So I decided to give the speech on the roadside so that if the student can try to deliver their speech, they can think. We will not think about the people, we will think about our improvement. Our improvement, it means suppose somebody is going here and there, they are actually looking to us, oh, I'm shooting the video. So I'm not looking to someone else. I am trying to concentrate on myself how to get the improvement. And for the improvement, it is very important to be very free, very comfortable, be bold. So do not think about the people, log kya kahenge. People will say what. So you will have to think about you. Your future will say what. आपका future आपके ऊपर depend करता है. Your future depends on you. But how? When you will put it your effort with dedication in it. If you will do it dedicatedly, you will have to cross all boundaries so that you can so much confident. So it takes not only 1 and 2 minutes, it takes so many practice. If you will do so many practice, then you will be so much comfortable. Thank you so much. And just see, there is my student Rishi and Ikshu. Ikshu is also there, and she also delivered her speech also.
Yeah.